dependability. Once a casing passes this initial inspection, nail holes are fixed and all major injuries are marked and will be repaired at a later stage. The second inspection process is now performed on an NDT-2B machine. The NDT-2B uses electrical impulses to detect nails, nail holes, tears, cuts, and bead repairs not always visible to the naked eye. If at any time in the entire process the tire casing cannot be repaired and returned to safe service, it is rejected and taken out of the production line. Because we are serious about only having the safest possible tires on the road, a third inspection is performed on the casing on a 7400 Insight Casing Analyzer. The 7400 uses chirographic inspection technology to detect flaws in all parts of the casing. The accuracy of chirography is achieved with laser technology that optically dissects the casing while the camera captures the images at varying vacuum pressures applied to the casing. The vacuum pressures provide stresses to separated components and movement and is displayed through video exposing the casing anomalies. After a casing passes all of these rigorous inspection processes, it is ready to be inflated to normal running size so the remaining worn tread can be removed on a precision buffer. The evolution of the buffing process has become so automated that new machines like Bandag's 8200 buffer virtually removes most opportunities for human error and delivers a much higher level of consistency. Another Bandag advantage is a repair system with the technology to repair larger injuries using materials specifically designed to work with the Bandag process. In this way, repairs become a permanent part of the casing for long, dependable performance. The Bandag